Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with the dolphin in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. It's already week 2 in Heartopia Colorful's event, and on week 2 we'll be able to meet the new animal, which is the dolphin. And first guys, you're going to go to this area. It's at the Wellfall area. Then you're going to fill the dolphin's trough with the dolphin's food, and then you will meet the dolphin around this area, and just click on the interact button and you'll be able to feed the dolphin after you fill the trough. And make sure you already complete a quest from Oliver to unlock the dolphin's trough. After you unlock it, just go to the trough and fill the trough, then find the dolphin around here. Okay guys, and that's how you can interact with the dolphin in Heartopia Call of Willows event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!